Everybody knows this. The only way to learn how to write is by writing. Sadly, if you strike out on your own with a trusty laptop and a blank Google Doc, you'll likely spend a ton of time producing ineffective content until you figure out how to write content that hits your marketing goals. But let's be honest, you don't have time for that. My name is Katerina. I'm the author of the book From Reads to Leads. This is my channel where I share weekly tutorials on writing and content marketing so you could get better results from the content you're creating. Writing is a skill, but this skill is very complicated. On this channel, you'll find everything you need to move miles ahead in your content marketing career. Tutorials on writing blogs from headlines to conclusions and everything in between. Tips on how to create copy that converts and messages that stick. Practical insights on how to research your target audience and write content that appeals to them. Advice on how to develop your content strategy, skills you need to master to get a content marketing job, and much more. Whether you're interested in copywriting, content writing, search engine optimization, or content management, subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss a new video.